Hey, welcome back. Or if you're new here, my name is James and I'm a hobby scrapper. But today is a little bit different. Today I'm going to be melting some zinc, and I've got this eagle mold right here, and I thought I'd make some eagle coins. Now don't worry, my regular videos are still Saturday mornings. This is just a special Wednesday video. Alright, I got all this zinc here, and zinc is really easy to melt. You can just melt it with a torch, but keep in mind you can overheat zinc really easily and it becomes very toxic to fumes. So make sure you have your proper safety gear. The key to melting zinc is just to keep the flame moving. Don't stop in one spot. You'll know you'll do it because it'll turn this like yellowish green toxic looking color. You don't want to do that. Now, of course, whenever you're melting, you always want to make sure you preheat your molds, your tools, everything. You want to get the moisture out of there so you don't have a steam explosion. And then the mold, you don't want to do any sort of thermal shock. So if that is cold and you put something hot on it, it's going to crack. So you want to make sure that's preheated very well. I don't know, that thing turned out pretty freaking cool. 4 ounces for that one. $3.3 ounces for that one. $3.2 ounces for that one. Well, that is going to conclude this short little video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing that stuff. I'm thinking about maybe getting some, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a wax thing. You can put it on here and it'll fill in all these little gaps and give a little bit of contrast color to it. I don't know. Let me all know what you think in the comments. Do you think these are pretty cool? Well, thank you so much for watching this. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all have a great week. God bless you all, and I will see you on Saturday.